So that's my introduction to I am infatuated with art. And as you all can see, that my ability to create art has increased exponentially. You know, I do it effortlessly because it's fascinating. It's unraveling a lot of phenomenon. You know, I am painting people that's unfolding. It's like predictive programming. It's truly is a fascinating phenomenon. Like you created this phenomena and it's unfolding. How is it unfolding? Is it predictive programming? Is it precognition? You know, am I an unconscious instrument or conduit in a much bigger, grander spectrum of things? Who knows? So that's it. That's it. You know, I find art to be an intriguing phenomenon, and I am excited to add it to my second hobby, next to music. That's it. You know, another fascinating aspect of is, you know, what makes an object pop? Is it that touch of light, or is that spark of light, or that touch of darkness? Because sometimes you might implement light first on a surface, and you know, the angle of the light that's reflected on the object